Stuck using your personal cell for business calls? Worried about giving out your private number to every client? Or maybe you're a freelancer juggling multiple projects and want a dedicated line for each one. If you answered yes to any of these, then a virtual phone service like Grasshopper might be the perfect solution. It gives you a professional business number without the need for bulky desk phones or expensive contracts. But how exactly do you use it? Don't worry, we'll break down Grasshopper step by step in this video. Finding your perfect Grasshopper number. First things first, you need a number. Grasshopper offers a variety of options to suit your needs. You can choose a local number with a familiar area code, a toll-free number for nationwide accessibility, or even a vanity number that spells out your business name or a memorable keyword. Here's a tip. Vanity numbers can be great for brand recognition, but make sure it's easy to remember and spell. Imagine someone trying to find you online. A jumbled mess of letters won't do. Grasshopper also allows you to port your existing business number, which is fantastic if you already have an established customer base. This way, you won't lose any important calls during the transition. Choosing the right Grasshopper plan. Grasshopper offers several subscription plans, each with a different number of phone numbers, extensions, and features. For solopreneurs or small teams, the basic plan might suffice. However, if you have a larger team or require advanced features like voicemail transcription or call recording, you might need to upgrade. Take some time to explore the different plans and consider what features are most important for your business. Don't forget, Grasshopper offers a free 7-day trial so you can test it out before committing. Downloading the Grasshopper app and setting up. Once you've chosen your number and plan, it's time to download the Grasshopper app. Available on iOS, Android, and desktop. The app is your central hub for managing your Grasshopper phone system. The setup process is incredibly user-friendly. You'll be guided through adding your mobile number as a trusted device, choosing an extension for outgoing calls, think of it as your internal office line, and setting up your voicemail greeting. Grasshopper's powerful features. Now comes the fun part, exploring the features that make Grasshopper a business phone game changer. Here are a few highlights. Auto Attendant. This virtual receptionist greets callers and directs them to the appropriate extension or voicemail. You can customize the greeting with a professional message that reflects your brand. Call Forwarding. Never miss a call. Grasshopper lets you forward calls to your mobile phone, office line, or even multiple numbers based on specific criteria like time of day or caller ID. Call Recording. This feature is a goldmine for training new employees, capturing important client conversations, or simply reviewing key details from a call. Customizable voicemail. Ditch the generic voicemail and record a personalized message for each extension or situation. You can even include call routing options to direct callers to the right person. Text messaging. Stay connected with clients and colleagues on the go with integrated text messaging functionality. Grasshopper on the go. The beauty of Grasshopper is its mobility. You can take your business calls and messages anywhere with the app on your smartphone or computer. This eliminates the need to be chained to your desk, allowing you to work remotely or travel with complete flexibility. Advanced features for power users. For those who need extra functionality, Grasshopper offers some advanced features like integrations with popular CRM platforms, call analytics to track performance, and even the ability to fax documents directly from the app, making Grasshopper work for you. Grasshopper is incredibly customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your specific business needs. Take some time to explore the settings and features to personalize your experience. There are even helpful tutorial videos on Grasshopper's website to guide you through the process. Grasshopper, your business phone made easy. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to use Grasshopper to transform your business phone experience. With its user-friendly interface, powerful features, and mobile-first approach, Grasshopper empowers you to project a professional image and stay connected with clients and colleagues, all without the hassle of traditional phone systems. Remember, a professional phone presence goes a long way in building trust and credibility with your customers. So, ditch the outdated phone system and consider giving Grasshopper a try. You might just be surprised at how much it can streamline your business operations and elevate your brand image.